Ayo, good people, this is your boy one and only PROF underscore KT. This is your boy one and only Prof KT. As you can see by the title, that's what I'm going to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell for next time I drop. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how can you test an idea before building it. The importance of testing your idea. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of jumping straight into building their product or business without testing their ideas first. This often leads to waste time, money, and effort if the idea doesn't meet real customer needs. Testing your idea before building it, it helps you validate demand, refine your concept, and reduce risk. It's about learning quickly and cheaply whether your ideas has potential before making a fully commitment. By following structured steps to test your ideas, you can move forward with more confidence and clarity. Start with research and validation. The first step in testing any idea is conducting thorough research. Start by defining the problem your idea aim to solve and identifying your target audience. Ask questions like, who has this problem? How are they solving it now? What gaps exist in current solutions? Use online surveys, interviews, and forums to gather insight directly from potential customers. Analyze competitors to understand what's already on the market and what they might be missing. Tools like Google Trends, Reddit, and industry report can help you gauge market interest. At this stage, your goal isn't to sell, is to listen and learn. By validating that a real urgent problem exists and that people are actively looking for better solutions, you gain evidence that your idea is worth pursuing. Build a minimum viable product. Once you've confirmed that there is a genuine need, the next step is to create a minimum viable product, MVP. An MVP is simplified version of your idea that includes only the core features needed to solve the problem. It allows you to test your assumption in the real world without investing too much time or money. For example, if your idea is an app, your MVP could be simple landing page explaining what the app does and inviting people to join a wait list. If it's a product, you might create a basic prototype or even a mock-up made from expensive materials. The purpose is to see how potential customers respond. Do they sign up, share feedback, or express interest in paying for it? Their reactions will tell you if your idea has traction or needs adjustment. Collect real feedback and measure results. Testing doesn't stop at building at MVP. You need to measure how people actually interact with it. Collect both qualitative data like sign-up clicks or purchase rates, and qualitative feedback like customer option or emotions. Observe whether user find value in your solution and if it genuinely solves their problems. You can also use A/B testing where you present two versions of your idea to see which performs better. For self-based ideas, offering a pilot or trial program can give real-world insight before scaling. It's important to stay open-minded if the feedback isn't what you hoped for. Treat it as valuable information rather than failure. Testing is about learning what works and what doesn't, allowing you to pivot or improve your concept. Refine, pivot, or proceed. After gathering enough data and feedback, it's time to decide the next move. If the response is positive and customer shows genuine interest, you can confidently proceed to build a full version of your product or service. If the results are mixed, consider refining your idea. Maybe the target market pricing or feature set needs adjustment. However, if testing shows there's little demand, it may be wise to pivot or explore a different direction. Many successful setups like Twitter and Slack begin as completely directly ideas before evolving into what they are today. Testing gives you the flexibility to adapt early and avoid major losses later. Testing your idea before building it is one of the smartest things an entrepreneur can do. It saves resources, uncovers hidden insight, and ensures you are creating something people actually want. Throughout research, MVP creation, real feedback, and refinement, you move from assumption to evidence. Remember, the goal of testing isn't just to prove your idea right, it's to learn the truth as quickly as cheaply as possible. When you test before building, you give your idea the best chance to succeed in the real world. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for next time I drop.